My name is Benjamin Asobe. I'm an entertainer. I'm also a businessman. So basically, I tried out one Dynotab. Believe me, my engine sound became so cool in sound. As in, before my engine used to have this kind of raging sound when it started up, but all of a sudden, I applied the Dynotab product and it was this kind of calm feel. This calm feel it had. And also for the fuel consumption, I run on the Toyota Corolla. Actually Toyota Corolla has less fuel consumption, but with Dynotab, get to run for a very long time. Which my Uber friend of mine, who's actually driving my second vehicle, got to find out. Normally, when he buys the fuel of 1K, it emits 4,000 of it for him. That's cash. But putting the Dynotab product inside the vehicle, it emits 7K, which means it saved like extra 3K. This one gained 4K before. Now it gained extra 3K in return. So believe me, that is simply beautiful. It's very economical. So just open your fuel tank. Like I said initially, 30 liters of fuel. You put 1 TML. But if you're gonna go for like more than that, like 5K fuel, you need to put 2. Oh, sure. Why? Friends, family, it could even be a colleague of mine or even strangers if they're actually interested. So why not? It's a good product. It's good to go.